let's go on an adventure. Before we go, we gotta make sure that the straightener, it's unplugged. It's unplugged. I'm shooting my first vlog today, and maybe I chose the wrong day to do it. This is my first time experiencing snow like this. I'm from Texas. Can't even see. This is so crazy. It's our first winter storm together as a couple. How romantic.
We need to commemorate this.
Dude, I can't see.
Yeah, I'm blacking out. What happened? What happened?
I don't have enough money.
Fresh. Brock reporting live. I got the Tuts combo number 2. Get some fries, a little pizzazz on top. I got a fried chicken and a grilled chicken sandwich and Coke Zero. Marley got the choking.
I'm not ready for this. We just left Union Station and we are full. Full of joy. And now we gotta get some steps in because we're gonna go home and rot in the bed.
We're going to the gym.
Oh yeah. Good for you. We ended up at the mall, and of course it's busy per the usual.
We're gonna stop at Uniqlo. It's perfect for short guys like me.
We made it out of the mall and I didn't spend any money. Success. What about you?
Spent a couple hundred by accident.
Oops.
My bad.
Well, this is my first attempt at vlogging and I really had fun doing it. My favorite part is editing, so I'm sure that'll be fun too. But I've been wanting to vlog for a while, and what better time than now? So I just wanted to try something new and give you more long-form content, maybe see a day in my life. I have more to share, my new life in Toronto and the new friends that I'm meeting, and I also get to live out my love story. But if you've made it this far, I really appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.